Kingdom Outreach Center Ministries, to empower and renew the minds of God's people through the Word of God so that we will be free.
He's rich and patient so we can get it right. He's rich in it. But he's sick of the church knowing what's right but won't get right. Won't do right. Not being a good example for the ones that haven't been to church. So the only church they see is you out there. And you out there allow demonic forces to drive you into hellacious acts. And then come back hollering, God know my heart. Just to stay in your mess. We in church to get a word. Just like we go to school to get taught. We used to go to church to get a feel good. 3 hoops and a holler and pass me $1 and go home. And the preacher did that. He preached that thing. What did he preach about? I don't know, but he preached it. He preached it, though. Yeah, child. You seen when he went back and said, that was my favorite part. This is what the church don't want. It's responsibility. We want to feel good. We want the pastor to do everything. We want the pastor to be clean, but we want to stay the same. So soon as he fall, oh, I knew he wasn't real anyway. You ain't either. You supposed to be praying for him so that he won't fall. But instead of you sitting there allowing that demonic force to have you to wish that he do fall, it's crazy. In the church, Mama, you got it out. Boy, you don't get away from me. Get away from me. Blah, blah, blah. Ain't changed. Ain't got no word. But remember all the actions that the pastor did, preacher did. Letting touch the heart to convict you, to remind you that you're the righteousness of God. Do what's right because it's right. Your nature has changed. Now he's building your character back to the original intent. Renew your mind in making ourselves ready for the return of Christ. So when he comes back to get his church without a spot, wrinkle, blemish, we will be ready. But we gotta be open. See our faults. This church will not judge you for your faults. We will not judge you for your faults. Why? Because we all have them. But we became spiritual people that know that when our brother or sister have fallen, those that are spiritual help restore them gently. And that's what's lacking in the church. Spirituality with the Holy Spirit.